All right, good morning and welcome to class. With us, we have this question to provide solution using the third method in differentiation called chain rule. So how do we do this? First thing is first, everything in this bracket I told you already is my u. Next up, y. Since we say let u be everything in this bracket, when you remove this one and put u there, you're going to have that y equals to u raised to the power of minus 3. So I'll have it as this. This is what I'm having. Next up, we want to differentiate based on the formulae. Now, the formulae is that we say dy over dx here will give us dy over du times du over dx. So let's differentiate based on the right hand side. So from this point, what do I have here? If I differentiate this, that's du with respect to x, and we'll have that du here over x. Why am I putting x? Because here we have x, u and x. That's why we say du with respect to x. So that becomes, if you differentiate this one here, I'm having that 3 raised to the power of 3 here. This times this one, like this, and then 3 minus 1. Multiply this, I'm having 9 and 2 here. So first, I will write 9x raised to the power of 2. That's the first thing I will do. Minus, I have my 5 here. Next up, I want to differentiate this 5. If we differentiate this 5, this is 1. 1 times this one will give us 1 times this one. Then I will remove 1 from here. Multiply this, I'm having 5x. All of this one gives you 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And I told you that any letter or number raised to the power of 0 gives you 1. So here becomes 5 times 1. My value here becomes 5. So here, that's where this 5 came to be. Next up, what do we do now? We would take this one off here, and then we are going to differentiate this, the y with respect to u. So I'll put the y first, and then u next. Then that will give us minus 3 times all this one. I'm having that. If you differentiate it here, let's differentiate it here. So I'm using this minus 3 to multiply this one first. So I'm having 3u. Do that, I'm having minus 4. So all of this one now becomes 3u raised to the power of 4. That's what I'm having here. Now, going by the formulae, if you check the formulae, we will know that this is the formulae here. So I've gotten my dy du. This is my dy du here. I've gotten my du dx. This is my du dx here. So what do I do now is to impute value. So I will take dy dx first. Dy dx is what we are looking for. So all of this one, now anywhere I see all of this one, dy du, which is this one, dy du now, I will remove this dy du, remove it, and put this value here. So I'm having minus 3u raised to the power of 4 times, look at this times here. So anywhere I see du dx now, which is du dx, this one, I will remove this one there and put this value. So I'm having 9x squared minus 5. That's what I'm having. So what do we know going further? We are going to open this bracket. Here, we can open the bracket here. So what do we do here now? I'll bring down my dy dx here. I'll multiply this. So all of this one times 9 first. I'm having minus 27x squared u raised to the, this is minus 4, please. This is minus 4. U raised to the power of minus 4, please. Times, next, all of this one times plus, all of this one times minus 5 here. I'm going to have plus, please. Plus 3 plus 15 plus 15. I'm multiplying this times this one. I'm having 15 u raised to the power of 4. This is what I'm having here. Now going further, I'll say dy dx here. What is common here? What can go here and go in this one? I'll have 3 out. U is here, u is here. Bring my u out like this, and then open this bracket. So when all of this divide all of this one now, I'm going to have that. This one will give us minus 9x squared. That's what I'm having here. Next up, if I use this to divide this now, I'm having plus 5 as my value here. Plus 5 as my value here. But we are not done. I'll bring down my dy dx here, and I will take out my u and replace it with the original value where we say let u be that. So I will have that 3u into brackets. I have this one minus 5x here. That is the original value. Raised to the power of minus 4, please. There's minus 4 there. This is minus 4. then into brackets, all of this one. So I'm having 9x squared plus 5. This is what I'm having here as your value. So this is how you solve this. Please, if this is the first time of coming across these videos or this channel, please kindly click the plus button and also do well to follow for more. And as well, please tell your friends, your brothers or sisters, your neighbor, your colleague about this class where we solve mathematics and other related calculations. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.